In my kitchen today, I have with me here fried pie. This was so nice. Trust me, if I say it was so nice, it was. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, okay? And if you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos or follow for more videos. Do you know what? They don't take money if you do that, okay? Yes, thank you so much. Now let's get right into today's video. I have my carrots, onions, spring onions, or scallions, or green onions, anyhow you call it, okay? I have with me here my homemade marinade, okay? That is also there. I have the video on my YouTube and my Facebook page. Please, you can check it out. So I've added that, and I'm just going to add my tuna flakes. So the marinade is just pepper, ginger, garlic, herbs, and other things. So please do well and watch the video. You will love it. Now the filling that we are preparing, okay, we are going to prepare it such a way that we are not going to overcook it. So we are going to cook this for some time and then we can continue. My returning subscribers and followers, you guys, may God bless you, okay? If it had not been you, we wouldn't have been here now, okay? The page or the channel wouldn't have been here. So thank you so much for always helping me, for always sharing my videos and watching me. I do appreciate it, okay? Now we are going to leave that on fire and then get to the dough. After that, we will add our other ingredients. So I have with me here my 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which you can use your soft flour or your pastry flour. It is the same thing. Now I've added a teaspoon of salt and I've added 4 tablespoons of butter. You can add margarine if that is what you want. Please do not add oil, because I know someone will ask me, can I use oil instead of butter? Hey, please, you can't, okay? Yes. Now I will mix it perfectly like this and then we will continue. Now I'll add my water to that, and for you to be at a safer side, you can add that to your flour bit by bit to get that perfect dough we are looking for, just like this. You can see it is perfect, okay? It is not hard and it is not soft as well. Now I am just going to divide this into 2 and then allow it to rest. I'm just going to leave it in the fridge for some few minutes. Trust me, you can do it without allowing it to rest, okay? I just want to concentrate on my filling, and also I'll be doing other things. When I'm ready, I'll just get back to that. So now this is how the filling is looking. You can see that it looks so delicious and also very juicy already. So when it is very watery, okay, and you want to bring it together, you can just sprinkle some all-purpose flour and then it will come together. But as you can see, mine is not watery, okay? So now this is how it looks. It is ready, very juicy and delicious. Because when it is watery like that and you are trying to seal your pie, sometimes when you put it in the oil, it can open, the pie can open, and then you may not get that beautiful pie you are looking for, because the filling will come out and then your pie will be looking blackish, some wavy, okay? So you make sure you seal it very well and the filling shouldn't be watery, okay? Now I am just using my rolling pin to roll that down to get that flat, to get it flat, and then we continue. So now you can use your cutter to cut it, okay? But I don't do that, okay? This is how I always do my pie, or shape it, and trust me, it looks beautiful, okay? So you can try it this way and you are good to go. It is so easy to do than to go and look for something to cut it and maybe you will not get and you'll be worried. Yeah, now after I add my filling, I will just cover it just like this See, you make sure you seal it very well. Seal it very well so that it will not open. Okay, now I will bring the other one as well to this place, and then we are good to go. Are you still with me? If yes, can you please take a moment to subscribe to this YouTube channel? And if you're watching me on Facebook, can you please follow me for more videos? They don't take money, it is free. And please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. For short videos, please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Short, and you will love it. Okay, since I want it very beautiful, I'm just going to shape it like this, and then or remove the excess dough and then seal it perfectly. Then we are good to go. Yeah, thank you so much. I know you have subscribed or you have followed, so thank you so much for doing it. So whilst we are doing this, I have my oil on fire. Okay, the fire is not very hot, it's not very high under it. Okay, and it is not very low. Okay, yeah, so it is on a medium heat so that we don't want the pie to burn. Okay, so by the time we finish sealing everything, the oil will not be very hot and it will not be maybe very low as well, but it will be medium. About the do you get it? Yeah, so that the pie will not burn. So you can use your fork like this to seal it. If you don't have fork, you can use your toothpick, yeah, to seal it. I mean the skewers, the one we use for chichinga. You see the bottom part, you can use it to seal it as well, or you can use your hand to seal it. Now whilst we are done with it, we'll just drop our pie. You could see that the oil is not too high because we don't want it to burn whilst the inside will not fry perfectly. You drop that in like that, and then you take good care of it, as in you don't go and do other things. By the time it will come, it will burn. So I'll flip it to the other side and make sure I work on it. Okay, I know someone will ask me, please, you did not add baking powder. If you want to add baking powder to yours, you can go ahead and do that. I actually have added baking powder to my pie just once, but I don't like it. Okay, yeah, so you can go ahead and add it to it. It is so good if you add it, and it can be done without the baking powder as well. So our pie is almost ready, and I'm very sorry I could not break one for you to see how juicy the inside was, because the person was ready to take this and I couldn't let him stay for me to finish the video. But trust me, if you have been on this channel for very long, or this page, you know very well when I prepare something and does not go well, I tell you this was delicious. Thank you for watching. I love you.